Omukoro gwakorwa hitenchero ry'amaheri ya School of Infantry Buhanga kandi gwahikwaho ba general ba UPDF abebembezi kurwo mu bitongore byo kwerinda nka prisons hamwe na polisi hamwe n'abebembezi kurwo mu district ya Kazo hamwe n'Ibanda. Abasirikare bari kwikigana nkaga na batana baba barumwa bakazi 18 nubo bashohozubwa.
No one faced the course and no one was sacked on other issues. So their officers are 165 and have successfully completed the course.
I therefore declare this company commander's post number 24, I declare it closed. Asante sana.
Omubashohozubwa haba harimo n'abasirikare batanu kurwo mu ihanga rya Burkina Faso kandi kayanja yashobora ngo mukago gwa UPDF hamwe n'ihangeri gumazire imyaka mingi okurijira cumwe habebembeza bakare.
And hardworking officer who is reserved and soft spoken above all.
His Excellency Thomas Sankara, who even visited our president here. So we have a long history of comradeship, of friendship, of brotherhood. So it's not an accident that you are here. You are our real, true brothers, and I also want to congratulate you for having completed this course successfully.
Arukomera abasirikare ab'entanda kayanja yabasha bakozesa obukugo batendekirwe babase kutemba amadara gandi ogona yabasha bakugire imico babana bahereza ihanga okwejumbira mu kurwana senguzi hamwe n'endijo mico mbi.
So you need to guard against indiscipline that really comes with health problems. Because if you become a drunkard, you will not make it in the army. If you are going to sleep with very many different girls, you will not make it because there are so many diseases.
Amakuraga Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.